ice cold room.
We spent 2 days in Phuket and man, it was a whole vibe. Grubbing on legit local food, sipping cocktails by the ocean, people watching, and soaking up the sun. Then we capped it off with the unforgettable New Year's Eve, lighting lanterns on the beach and watching fireworks light up the sky. Talk about a way to end the trip and kick off a new year. Tap in and experience it with us.
We are taking off at 4:30 in the morning.
Cabin crew, we seated for takeoff.
Cabin 3160, bound for Phuket International Airport. The cabin is Captain Pontanok and standby for Officer Pantara. I am the first Josie cabin crew for this flight. This flight will take 2 hours as we are now ready for departure. Please ensure that you fasten your seatbelt. Pull the seat back upright, close chainable to its original position. Open window shade next to you. Kindly please reach up on mobile phones and electronic devices. Thank you. On behalf of our ship, Captain Pontanok, First Officer Pantara, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. For today, thank you for flying with our Asian Airlines and day. Goodbye.
Cabin crew is Ramadan for January.
Passports,
8:30.
devices. Kindly ensure that you have all your belongings with you.
Check in early.
Thank you.
We're going to go find a place to get some breakfast and some drinks. I'm sorry about that. We are currently waiting for a meter taxi. It's a little confusing here. So 800 baht from the northern part of Phuket, which is where the airport is, to I think we're in the southern part, like Patong Heights Hotel.
And here is the room tour. First we have the bathroom, pretty good sized bathroom. A good sized sink and countertop here. Over here we have the shower and this interesting window that looks into it from the kitchen. Not to worry though, it does have blinds for privacy. Next up we have the dining table and kitchen. A good sized living room space right here. And finally we have the bedroom. Neek and I were really digging the size and layout of this room. I freaking love this. Just outside our sliding door to the left, we have this communal hangout area, which is pretty sick. So that wasn't too bad of a walk down the mountain, or the hill, whatever you want to call it. So what did you get? You got this hat?
Yes, I got this hat for 200 baht.
200 baht.
Nice. Protect my whole
So how much did he want for the sunglasses and the
400 baht total. So
was that too much?
I don't know. It's not a deal.
You could have bartered with him.
I tried. He's like, nope.
No
he knew
movement.
He knew I needed this. I was specifically wanting this. I'm so happy to be here right now.
Yeah. It's so hot though.
It's so hot.
So hot and humid. right.
Or buy three.
We're sharing a free cocktail
one
here.
free one. Buy three, get one free. Okay, are we going?
What are you craving most right now?
I'm craving like the AC. It's so hot. Ice cold room.
What time is it right now? Island time, ladies? Island time? This is the famous Bangla Road, the heart of Patong Beach nightlife. It's a lively, neon-lit street packed with bars, clubs, live music, and street performers. If you're looking for a wild night out in Phuket, this is where it's at. If we pulled up 10 years ago, you already know we'd be out here at night. But this trip, we are all about the chill vibes and keeping it low-key, so we decided to stroll through the street before sunset, just to say we checked it out.
How much? Baby, can I have your wallet? Do you have money? I need money,
After getting back to the hotel and freshening up, we decided to keep it close to home base for the night. We hit up this spot in the hotel next door and the food was on point. It is New Year's Eve. We are just getting our day started. It's about 8:30. We're going down to get some breakfast. We are planning to lather up ourselves to then go to Patong Beach, grab some chairs along the beach, spend the day there, getting a tan and just relaxing, having a few cocktails.
Let's go. So happy right now.
I got an egg roll here, steamed vegetables. This is sticky rice with dim sum inside, I think. Steamed dumplings, grapes, a croissant, a shrimp spring roll, and a wonton from Neek's soup. And here's some dipping sauce for the spring roll. I'm also going to dip the egg roll in there. A cappuccino. And finished. current situation. We got 3 chairs.
Okay, we just left the beach. We have about an hour to kill before the shuttle picks us up. And we liked the food that we had yesterday so much that we stopped in to the same place again. It's called The Beach. Really good food. Highly recommend it. Check it out. All right, so time check is around 8:30. We were planning on going down to Patong Beach, walking down from our hotel. It's about a 15-minute walk down the mountain because there is no shuttle service from our hotel to city center after 5 p.m. However, we do have a little bit of a weather issue. I started downpouring here about like 20 minutes ago. The weather is supposed to potentially be off and on rain until about 11 p.m. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to chance it and try to walk down, hopefully not get rained on. Good news is the storm is done. It stopped raining. Let's go. Let's go. That was so cool. Such a cool experience on the beach. All the fireworks everywhere. You could buy lanterns for 100 baht, which is like $3. It was such a cool experience. After vibing at a bar with some live music and a pint, we came across the spot with a global menu, and it was straight fire.
And Neek, I think, got the best milkshake that I've ever tasted in my entire life. Hands down.
It's a coffee milkshake.
Patong is lit still at 2 o'clock in the morning. Hopefully we're gonna try to catch one of these cabbies home, but I don't think that we're gonna make that happen. We'll most likely be walking uphill, earning that breakfast. Yeah, this traffic is insane. Quite a night, guys. Quite a night. Our current situation, walking up a 45-degree angle hill. It is currently almost 3 o'clock in the morning. All right, that was a wild night. We just woke up. It's about 9:45. We're gonna go down and get some breakfast.
This is our last day here in Phuket before we head home. Total travel time tomorrow is going to be over 36 hours. So it's going to be a long day tomorrow. So plans for today is to just hang out by the pool, relax, we got to do some packing, and then yeah, we'll head out tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. for the airport at Phuket, and then start our journey home. Thailand has been so great to us. The people are so loving, they're so nice. It's completely different than what we see in the United States, where there's a little bit more of hate towards people, which is unfortunate. A breath of fresh air to be around people who genuinely just are happy people. They live minimalist lives, they don't require much, and they're very grateful for everything. So that has given us a great perspective, and we're going to take that home with us and project that energy out. Anyways, guys, I mean, if you have an opportunity to come to Thailand, anywhere in Thailand, everyone is amazing.
And that's a wrap on our time in Phuket. From delicious local food and beach vibes to ringing in the new year with fireworks and lanterns, it was definitely a trip to remember. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. We'd love to hear from you. See you on the next one.